Hi everyone, this is Installment 3 in the Software Behind Desktop Publishing video tutorials. This installment is all about creating your basic objects that lie within InDesign software. So go ahead and pull up InDesign. Alright, and when you get up here, I already have the document open, ready to work with. And so to create objects, your basic objects are going to be under your shape tool right here, which is just basically your shaded in square. If you right click on that, you're going to see that you have 3 different options to work from, whether it be your rectangle, your ellipses, or your polygons. For now we're just going to build a few rectangles and I'll show you the other 2 in a minute. So how to create these, all you do is I have my rectangle selected. You go ahead, just click, hold, and drag. Now just like the text boxes, if I was to hold down shift, I would get a perfect proportion shape again. Perfect square. And as soon as I let it go, I'm back to whatever shape I want it to be. And when you let go, you have your shape created. Again, just like text, if you use your black mouse, your selection tool, you can move this guy wherever you want to on the screen here. You can also reshape him into whatever you want. And then if you were to use your direct selection tool, the white mouse, you can alter the overall shape of this guy. Make him really, oops, I guess I need to not be selected on the first. Really make him whatever shape you want him to. And so if you're wondering why I couldn't just select him, that was because when I originally went on to use the direct selection tool, he was already selected like this. That shape was already selected. And so when you do that, you're not able to move anything but the entire shape. So in order to fix that, he needs to be unselected when you select your direct selection tool. And then if you hover over him, you'll see that that anchor point down there just opened up. And then from there, you can make him, again, whatever shape you want him to be. Okay, and so now let's look at an ellipse. Same thing, click, hold, drag, make whatever shape. If you hold down shift, you'll get a perfect proportion circle. Okay, and again, selection tool, you'll move it wherever you want. Direct selection, you'll be able to really change how this guy looks here. Which, with the circles, you can get some really unique looking things by moving these handles around. Which is pretty neat. And it works really good when you're, for certain projects you might have that. I mean, you can create really awesome shapes that way. So, anyways, that's how you use that guy there. Okay, and then the polygon tool. Again, make whatever shape you want. Hold down shift. It is a perfect shape. All right, and then if you use your directional arrows here, if you go up, you'll create multiple of these polygons in a row. Down, or sorry, I guess that's a column, isn't it? Down, you'll eliminate them. And if you use your side arrows, again, you'll make multiple guys in a row. And so on and so forth. And then again, black direction, selection tool, move. And your white direct selection will alter the shape of the character. Okay? So those are the basics to your shape formats here. Now what's neat about these is even though you only have 3 shapes to choose from, you'll notice that you can create a multitude of different styles and shapes based off of just being able to use that direct selection tool. And then of course you can always change your stroke and fill these with color and all that to make them even that much more better. And we will get to that in a later tutorial. For now, you can just keep making all those shapes and weird designs. Alright, and I will see you in the next tutorial.